Okay, so hi all. Once again, very good morning and thanks for being joining. Okay, till now, whatever we discuss is complete about what is SQL, what is SQL Server architecture, and we discuss a lot about the SQL Server, like log shipping, mirroring, replication, and troubleshootings, along with the backups, restores, recovery models, and internals. And also, we discuss about the DMVs, DBCC commands, and performance counters. So now we are going to start our journey with a new platform that is nothing but cloud platform. Okay, so almost both are similar, only don't make it as a separate. Okay, so on premises is nothing but we are maintaining our data in our premises. So cloud is nothing but someone else data center, someone else data center. We are going to place our servers and applications, everything. Why? What we are going to discuss in the middle of our session. Okay, now before we go and start, any question on that part? Everyone clear? Yep. Okay, so as part of today session, mostly I'm going to cover again base concepts. What is cloud computing? What are the services are available? What are the deployments are available? Okay, so again, what is public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud? So what is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS? So a little bit intro about complete cloud computing we are going to discuss, and we'll start with a couple of services. Okay, so in the from tomorrow onwards we'll start the couple of services. Let's go for deeper. So before I go and start, so what we are going to discuss in next 30 to 40 days. So completely we'll see. So in this complete 30 to 40 days, we are going to discuss Azure SQL database is one of the PaaS platform. MI Azure Managed Instance, it is also one of the PaaS platform, and Azure VM is IaaS platform. So overall, first we are going to discuss IaaS platform completely, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. We will discuss what is IaaS, what is PaaS. Okay, just hold on. So MI is one of the costly service. You can create your own free trial account. In Azure, you can create your own free trial account. In AWS, you can create your own free trial account. In Google Cloud also, you can create your own free trial account. So firstly, don't waste your free trial accounts. Okay, whenever you start, don't create. So until unless my confirmation, everyone don't create your Azure account until unless I will confirm you when you are supposed to create the free trial subscription, because it will be only for 30 days, and after 30 days it will your $2,000 will be credited for every account that will be disappear if you are using not using. Okay, I will tell you the best shortcuts. So when you need to create your Azure free trial account. So but MI managed instance, you are not able to create using Azure free trial account. So that we are going to deploy a separate. So it's a very costly service, a very costly service. Sometimes if you want to see everything practical, it may also, the Microsoft may also charge for 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 1 lakh. How you are using that MI account, sorry, MI instance. Okay, that much Microsoft is going to charge. So we are going to make it separately over the weekend. Okay, so 2 to 3 weekends we are going to sit, but I will make a separate charge for that one, MI, for everyone, not only one or two people. Everyone who wants to interest to join MI session, I'm going to charge, but it won't be more amount. It depends on how much Microsoft is going to charge for us. Okay, I will divide it. Okay, is it comfortable, everyone?
Yes, Subbu. Yes. For me,
But
it's okay.
it should not be more than, no, it will be very less price only. So remaining amount I will bear, no problem for me. Okay, so I will take a minimal amount. okay, from everyone. So that's the reason first day onwards I'm telling the same thing. Now, sir, we'll start, sir. So this is completely related to now whatever we are discussing. This is completely related to the DP300. Vishwanath. Okay, so DP300 certificate, sir. You can eligible to complete your DP300 after you completion of this 30 to 40 days training. So whatever services required, whatever the concept required for DP300, all we are going to cover. And I will share the dump files as well. You need to prepare that dump, and you are good to do the Microsoft certificate. That is nothing but DP300 certificate. Okay, so here we are going to discuss lot about Azure SQL database, Azure MI, always on with multi-subnet cluster. Always on we are going to discuss a lot. Uh, Always on single subnet, always on multi-subnet. Okay, always on tag, always on with load balancers, always on with availability set. Uh, these many types we are going to discuss, and we'll see everything with the live demos. And also we are going to discuss about the tuning, performance tuning, like CPU troubleshooting, memory troubleshooting, IO troubleshooting, 18456, connection time modes, deadlocks, blockings. So all troubleshooting also we are going to discuss along with log file, data file, dump DB, log file architecture, dump DB architecture. All we are going to cover in the performance tuning as well. So don't get afraid. Okay, within 30 to 40 days we are going to do all this. Yes, sir. 2 weeks for performance tuning, 1 week for Azure SQL database, 1 week for clusters and always on. Okay. So remaining MI we are going to discuss a separate weekends. 2 weekends we are going to, or 1 weekend we will plan. So that session, MI sessions will be mostly, we are going to take almost 5 to 6 hours or 6 to 8 hours in a day. Sir, if you keep MI for a live, Microsoft charge like anything. Okay, so in one day, so we'll make 5 to 6 hours one session, and next Saturday we'll take 5 to 6 hours. Sunday also will take to 5 to 6 hours. Total 12 hours we are going to discuss. So if MIs keep on running, so for 2 days Microsoft won't charge that much. If you're keeping for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, Microsoft will charge like anything, sir. Microsoft MI also we are going to discuss a lot concepts. How to migrate, means how to migrate on-prem to MI. Okay, how to configure on-premises to MI replication. How to configure always an availability group with the MI. Okay, backups, restore, securities, connectivity, private endpoint, public endpoints. So overall, we are going to discuss in 12 hours. Okay, without any waste of our time, we'll discuss completely technical about MI, because that is a costly service. Remaining, we have a lot of time. Agree? And you people also, I will give the same day to do a little bit practical about MI, so that again you don't want to deploy the MI. It is not a free service, right? Okay, super good, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sir, we are going to start with the cloud computing introduction. Okay. So, what is cloud computing? Firstly, we should know about what is cloud computing. What are the service models are available? What are the deployment models are available? And little bit, sir. Okay. So, 1 or 2 days there will be just theoretical part. From Wednesday or Thursday, we'll start completely. We'll go for in depth. Okay, so once we complete the intro part, so without any waste, we are going to start with the Azure SQL database. Is a one of the PaaS platform. What is Azure SQL database? What are the service models are available? How to deploy Azure SQL database with the DTU purchasing model, with vCore purchase. Again, same concept only, sir. Don't get very afraid. Okay, PaaS will reduce our time, sir. Basically, here no need to install nothing, sir. No need to do lot of things. Everything will taken care by Microsoft. Okay, so we'll start with Azure SQL database. We'll discuss about what are the backup strategy, what is the restore strategy, what is the security part. Very important, such security. So lot many things we are going to discuss in the security. How to create the private endpoints, how to access the private endpoints, what is the traffic managers, what is NS look, how to do NS lookups, how to enable dynamic data masking, TDE, audit, okay, server level firewalls, database level firewalls, and server level roles, database level roles, lot many things, additional things you will get it here, sir, when you compare with on premises. We already done security part in on premises, right? Almost same only, but you will get some more additional concept, and also you will get some advanced level how to enable the encryption. This is also you can compare both on premises and cloud as well when we go for security, and couple of troubleshooting also we are going to discuss under the security. Then once it is done, we'll discuss about elastic pools, elastic queries, and elastic jobs. Okay, a little bit hectic concept, elastic jobs, because in Azure SQL database there is no concept called agent, sir. There is no SQL server agent, you cannot make directly automation. So there is a concept called elastic agents and automation account. These are the two services we need to use to make automation, sir. Means you need to create a jobs, okay, make something automation. Either you can go for elastic jobs, either you can go for the automation account. Both we are going to discuss. And geo application failure groups. In on premises we have log shipping, we have mirroring, we have clusters, we have always on, right? Yes, these many concepts are available, right, sir?
Yes.
When you go for Azure SQL database, there is two concepts: geo application, failure groups. So misunderstand that geo application means replication. Okay, it is also high availability. It is not a best high availability. It is a best DR technique. We'll discuss lots, sir, about this configuration. Okay, very simple techniques. You don't need to spend more time. Actually, to configure clusters always on, we used to spend around more time, right? To configure geo application failure groups, very easy, sir. Microsoft made very simplified for us. If you're not a MS SQL DBA, assume you are a Oracle DBA or MySQL DBA, you can also go and configure geo application failure groups. That much easy. Okay. Once it is done, we'll discuss migrations, sir. Everyone is waiting for migrations. Okay, so we'll discuss about the migration a lot, sir. Again, different types of migration techniques: import, export, DAC backpack, Azure Blob Storage, MDB database migration, using DMA database migration assistance, DMS database migration service, both offline and online. We'll discuss. Okay, with the help of Azure Data Studio, how you are going to migrate, how to fix the orphan users, what are the best practices we need to take care whenever you are going to migrate our on premises to cloud. This is the one of the critical concept we are going to discuss almost 3 to 4 days, a
Subbu,
complete
sorry
end
to
to end.
interrupt you. We'll have the demo for migration about on-prem to on-prem.
Huh? Yes, complete, sir.
Yes.
Not
Okay,
only
okay.
on-prem to cloud, on-prem to on-prem, and on-prem to cloud. So that is why I
Thank
hold.
Yeah.
No, without demo, no, sir. Without migration, no session at all.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. No,
Still on-premise
here,
is a little
clearly
bit
mentioned
pending.
on-prem to cloud, right? So,
No,
okay.
no, 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 no. On-prem is still pending, sir. Whatever we discuss, first slide, right? We discuss that we are going to cover, because I don't want make on-premising separate and cloud separate. Let make together, you will become stronger, right? So what are the difference? Side by side, we are doing. Hope you
Okay,
understand.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, I
Now,
understand.
now once it is done, we are good at to configure Windows failure clusters on always on availability. Sir, mostly clusters always on. We are going to discuss the weekends. Okay, so maybe the session will be 3 to 4 hours. Okay, that's Sima, you need to bear. Natsima is requesting take only 1.5 hour. Out of 1.5 hour, I'm getting sleep. Okay. So clusters always on. We are going to take more time, sir. So it's not easy to build the Windows failure clusters. We need to build the servers. Sir, here there is no network team. There is no Windows team. There is no storage team. Correct? In real world, Windows team will be there, network team will be there, storage team will be there. They will complete and they will hand out to the DBA. So DBA will start installing the SQL server and he will configure clusters always on. Here, no one, sir. We will become the Windows team. We will become the network team. We will become the storage team. So everything we are going to discuss in always on and clusters, sir. So we will become network team, storage team, and SQL team, Windows team. So we are going to configure always on with a single subnet, using DNN. So before Windows Server 2016, after Windows Server 2016, okay, what is the difference? What is the difference, sir? Okay, that is major, sir. After Windows Server, sir, Windows Server 2016, there is a concept called DNN, distributed network name. Okay, so what is the DNN? How to configure DNN? All we are going to discuss, and we are going to discuss with the single subnet and load balancers in Azure, sir, especially. So load balancer is not available in on premises at all. Load balancers are available in cloud, especially cloud. Okay. When you go for Azure, when you go for Alibaba Cloud, when you go for AWS, when you go for Google Cloud, any cloud platforms, sir, there is a concept called load balancers. Okay. In Azure, we are going to discuss how to configure, okay, always on with the help of load balancers. How to integrate our IP addresses with the load balancers using PowerShell script. So all we are going to see practical, and configure always on with the cross regions. Okay, so means DR. Everyone is waiting for this one, sir. DR. How to configure DR? HA. You just now sir, log shipping you configured, mirroring you configure, but you configure within only one server, right, sir? One network. But here we are going to configure two different networks. Means so one server we are placing in US, one server we are placing in India. So India, we are using a different network, different subnets, different networks, different region, completely different, sir. US, we are maintaining separate servers, different network, different storages, different subnets. So how you are going to make a bridge between these two regions? Okay, so that is nothing but HA and DR, high availability and DR. So that we are going to discuss. Okay, difference between Windows Server 2016 and Windows Server 2019. Okay, so by configuring, you will get to know, sir, that we are going to discuss, and load balancers we are going to discuss. DAG concept, distribution always on availability group. Okay, a little bit tricky concept, but we'll make very simplified. A DAG also we are going to discuss. Okay, always on DAG, distribution always on availability group. Okay, now point to site, sir. Okay, this is a little bit complex, very tricky point. How you are supporting work from home? So everyone now, due to pandemic, everyone is doing work from home, right? Yes. No, sir. Everyone doing work from home, right?
Yes.
How you are doing work from home, sir? Sir, assume this is my cloud.
Mhm.
This is my cloud. Okay. So this is a cloud. I just deployed my VMs in this cloud, sir. And this is treat my laptop as a on premises. This is how your cloud looks like, sir. Microsoft Cloud. Assume, sir, you deployed a virtual machines here. You deployed virtual machines here, and treat your laptop as a on premises. So sir, usually everyone is trying to connect using the public IP address. I can agree, sir, but I don't want to connect with the public IP address, sir. No one will grant public IP address in real world. So everyone used to connect with the private IP address. So usually usually we can't connect using private IP address, sir. It won't allow us. Now we are going to make to connect using the private IP address, sir. So you are going to create the certificates, you are going to create the network tunnels, okay, and you are going to deploy the VPN. You are going to deploy the VPN, sir. Okay, already I hope already one VPN is there. Yeah, see, last
So,
batch.
so to
So
create a VPN tunnels, we can connect to our corporate network, right?
yes, private networks.
Okay, okay.
In real world also, everyone once you join also, first you need to connect this VPN, sir.
Understood.
What is VPN? How to connect? A little bit hectic concept. You should bear with me, sir. Lengthy concept again. So lengthy. It is out of our boundary actually. It's not related to the DBA. But here no one is there, right? We should become everything, sir. Okay. So first you need to create the certificates, export the certificates, create the certificates, create create the networks, enable the application gateway, sir. To enable net application gateway itself, it is to take 30 to 40 minutes. One gateway. To enable one network gateway is to take 30 to 40 minutes. We need to enable two network gateways because we are going to deploy two different networks. We are going to merge two different networks. Okay. More complex will be there coming session. Okay. But very interesting, so all are very very interesting. Okay, once you connect this one, you can connect the private network, sir. In real world also same. That is how you are doing work from home, sir. Who are already working, everyone first they will connect to the VPNs, right? Cisco VPN. Okay, yes or no? Tell me who are working. Yes, right?
Yes, Subbu.
Yeah. So who are already working, first they will connect to the VPN, sir. What will happen means it will convert your network into the client network. It will convert your network into the client network, sir. This VPN will convert our network. Sir, you are connecting using mobile, you are connecting using WhatsApp. Sorry, not WhatsApp. Yeah, Wi-Fi. Sorry, Wi-Fi. Even when you are connecting from your mobile, sir, you are using Airtel or Geo or something, sir. Okay, so that network will convert into the client network using this VPN. Okay, all we are going to discuss, sir, this part. Okay, now once it is done, we are going to start the performance tuning. So once this part is done, almost it may take 3 weeks. Remaining last 2 weeks, we are going to discuss about the tuning concepts. Log file troubleshoot, log file architecture, data file troubleshoot, DB architecture, DB troubleshoot, CPU, memory, query, IO. Okay, all this we are going to cover, and remaining concepts which are pending concepts. Okay, so I'm going to make the okay. So I already added the okay L1 debate. Okay, here I am going to add 10 more videos. Okay, 10 to 15. So I'm going to make 10 to 15. You should watch here also. Along that 40 session. So here you may get 15 sessions again. You should go and watch here. It will be public, sir. Okay, clear. And we are going to discuss three more sessions. One session related to the SSIS, one session related to the SSRS, one session related to the 1 to 2 sessions, sir. Okay, 3 to 5 sessions. One second. 3 to 5 sessions we are going to discuss SSIS, SSAS, SSRS. Because as a DBA, you definitely may involve in these three tools as well, sir. What are the differences? How to deploy? How to configure? How to grant the permission? How to install? In case you face something issue, how to troubleshoot? All we are going to discuss it in between 3 to 5 sessions. These three concepts as well. Yep, clear? Not clear? Any questions, sir? So what we are going to discuss in next 30 to 40 days? Actual SQL we are going to start, sir. Actually, whatever we completed 30, this is the base level, except replication. Except replication, we discuss complete base level concepts, sir. Okay. Now we are going to start actual concept actually. No, no, sir. No questions means then we'll go for uh, session, sir. That is what we are going to discuss in next 30 to 40 days. Okay. Yeah, no questions. Yeah, thanks everyone. Now, sir, little stories are about SQL Server as we are a SQL engineers. Okay, everyone is asking a little, sir. Sir, Microsoft has been started 25 years ago. We already discussed in the starting sessions. Almost it's like 22, 23 years Microsoft journey, sir. Okay, so he started with the SQL Server 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 7.0, 2000, 2005, 2008, 2008, or 2012, 14, 16, 17, 19, and where we are 2022. Maybe, sir, in the ending of our sessions, okay, you may also get a little one session about SQL Server 2022. Microsoft already announced, sir, it is not make as a public. It is under testing still. Once it comes to the live environment, we are good, sir. Maybe definitely you will get one video related to the SQL Server 2022. What are the enhancement? What are the features Microsoft has been released? Along with you will also get two more sessions, sir. Two sessions on the Linux. How to what is Linux? Three to four sessions, sir. What is Linux? What are the commands we'll use on Linux? And how to configure, how to install Linux, how to install SQL Server on Linux. Okay, and some more best practices will we are going to discuss as part of Linux as well. I will try, sir, actually to install SQL on Docker. Actually, 3 years 4 years ago I used to try in the Docker, but later I not teaching anything Docker sessions, sir. Let's see if I am having the time. Definitely I will plan to make one session on the Docker. Okay, so so Microsoft has started its journey like anything, sir. Is keep on enhancing for every version to version. Microsoft is keep on enhancing from SQL Server 2005. Before SQL Server 2005, after SQL Server 2005, sir, you should compare. Before SQL Server 2005, okay, it's not completely Microsoft code. It is also integrated with the Sybase code. From SQL Server 2005, Microsoft has been made completely redesigned, enhanced its frameworks, dashboards, everything from SQL Server 2005, and here we are standing 2022. Lot many features, sir. He came up with a lot many features, lot many enhancement over the installation, over the features, over the securities. Okay, he made lots, sir, actually. So when you go for security, when you, sir, everyone will tell Oracle is more secure than SQL Server because Oracle we are going to install only on the Linux platform. No, sir. A platform is security. Platform is more secure. I agree with that one. But what about Oracle security is providing? But when you go for Microsoft, there are lot many, sir. There are lot many of securities Microsoft is providing when you go for SQL point of view. Data masking, TDA, transparent data encryption, always encryption, row level encryption, column level encryption. Okay, lot many types Microsoft is providing when you compare with Oracle. And on SQL Server 2017, sir, before SQL Server 2017, from SQL Server 2017, sir, before SQL Server 2017, Microsoft is completely with the Windows platform, completely Windows platform, sir. But from SQL Server 2017, Microsoft has been redesigned its code. Now you can install SQL Server in the Linux platform as well. You can install SQL Server in the Linux platform as well, sir. From SQL Server 2019, you can install SQL Server in the containers. Containers, sir. Docker as a container, Kubernetes as a container. You can install SQL Server in the containers as well. Docker container, Kubernetes containers. Sir, again, that's what I wanted to say. There are lots, sir. Again, whatever we are giving for 60 days or 65 days or 70 days, that is not sufficient. No one will teach in 60 days, sir. Couple of people are training for 30 days. I am not sure. I will get shocked. Okay. So these many services are available in SQL. SQL on Docker, SQL on Kubernetes, SQL on Linux. Okay, SQL on cloud. Maybe you may also get chance to work with AWS sometime. So what I'm going to do, sir, I'm going to compare, sir, every time. I will compare with Azure and AWS. Okay, you may also get chance to work with AWS, sir, along with Azure. Okay, sir, all are same only. I'm going to compare with Google Cloud, with Alibaba Cloud, with AWS, with Azure, sir, every services, so that at least you will have some terminologies in your mind. Okay, in Azure we are calling this as a service. In AWS we are going to call this one. In Google Cloud how we are going to call. Okay, clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. So this is completely on premises, sir. Now you can go to the cloud part. Now when you start going for cloud, okay, C colon Azure VM, sir. Azure VMs means, sir, sir, this is your laptop. Sir, treat this is as your laptop and you are making is on premise and you are installing. Now what you are going to do? You are going to create a server in cloud. Either it can be Azure, it can be AWS, it can be Google Cloud, it can be Alibaba Cloud, it can be IBM Cloud, it can be so and so cloud, sir. So you are going to create one server in cloud and you are going to install SQL on that VM, that server. That is nothing but IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Someone else server you are going to install the SQL server, sir. A cloud is nothing but server, massive servers, sir. They will purchase massive servers. On that we are going to use couple of servers. I will show you, sir, no worries. So Someone else's server you are going to install the SQL server, sir. That is nothing but IaaS. In Azure you are calling as a VM, virtual machine. In AWS you will call it as a EC2 instance. Name is different, sir, but concept is same again. In Azure you are calling as a virtual machine. In Azure you are calling as a virtual machine. In AWS you will call it as a EC2 instance. In Google Cloud you will call it as a mission, virtual machine only. In Alibaba Cloud also we will call it as a virtual machine. You are creating a server, sir. That's it. Apart from nothing else you are doing. There is a different names, but underlying concept is same. How you are going to create a server in Azure, same way you will create in all platforms. Okay. Now, sir, when you go to the PaaS, platform as a service, you no need to worry about the installation. You no need to worry about maintenance. You no need to worry about the patching. Nothing, sir. Everything will taken care by Microsoft. Everything will taken care by AWS. Everything will taken care by Google Cloud. Everything will taken care by Alibaba Cloud. You need to just focus on your service and databases, data and databases. Everything already predefined, are there. Everything predefined. Microsoft will take care of all this. You need to just focus on your data and databases and securities. Remaining backups, patchings, services will be taken care by Microsoft. You no need to worry, sir. Can I take backups? No, you can't take backups. Can I apply patches? No. Can I stop services? No. Nothing, sir. Less control, more control on Microsoft. He is going to maintain everything, sir. Okay, that is nothing but PaaS platform. In Azure, there are two, sir. Azure SQL database, Azure MI. In AWS, RDS service. RDS services. Under that RDS service, you can deploy SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, everything, sir. In under RDS, AWS RDS, you can deploy many database management systems. When you go for Google Cloud, there is a service called SQL. Under SQL, you can deploy MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server. Those are PaaS platforms, sir. We have less control on that one. Everything will be maintained by your cloud providers. Okay. Next, so everyone is asking, sir, what is our next future plan? I told you, right? Whenever we are starting our SQL Server, I told you, next, what is your next future? Azure Synonyms, Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks. That is your next future, sir. Once you are good at SQL part, SQL on Azure VM, SQL, Azure SQL database, Azure managed instance, just start exploring about Azure Synonyms. Azure Synonyms is a database for data warehouse. Sir, earlier, like before 2019, there is no concept called Azure Synonyms Analytics, sir. There is a concept called Azure Data Warehouse. Azure Data Warehouse. But from 2019, Microsoft has been redesigned completely, and he named it as a Azure Synonyms Analytics. Azure Synonyms Analytics, sir. Okay, this is a database for specially for data warehouse, for data factory, for IaaS integration service. So this is the database, sir. Mostly they are going to use. So this is our next generation, sir. After you are good at comfortable in next 1 or 2 years, if you are good at SQL, let's start exploring on Azure Data Factory, Azure Synonyms. Okay, everyone. Okay, not okay.
Yes, sir.
So someone is afraid, oh, what about SQL DBSR? What is our next? Nothing, sir. Apple is a Apple. Royal Enfield is a Royal Enfield, sir. Microsoft is a Microsoft. That I promise you, sir. Okay, it's a brand. Never, no one, sir. Now, Sir, till now, no, you are getting lot of questions on what is cloud, what is on premises, what is cloud, what is on premises. Okay, so take your home, sir. Assume you decide to establish one small company. You decide, sir. You decide to establish a small company, sir. A small organization like BPO kind of data center, data entries, right? So that kind of office you decide, sir. Take for example, sir. Okay. So when you start deciding, okay, when you just start deciding, so what are the you need to take care, sir? Infrastructure you need to take care, right? You need to purchase one office, infrastructure, yes or no? Yes, no. Everyone tell
Yes,
yes or
sir.
no, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, we use this.
Hardware, software you need to gather, right? Hardware you need to purchase. You need to purchase the computers, laptops. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yes. Software also you need to purchase.
Right, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Software integrations are merging. You need to take care.
Hmm.
Recruiting different
yes,
teams you need to take care. You need to recruit whatever uh, technology you
yes,
are going to planning, sir, like Java, .NET, SAP, Oracle, SQL, whatever technologies are. You need to recruit the different team members, right? Storage team, Windows team, network team.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Security also you need to consider, right, sir? Someone can easily hack your computers, so you need to recruit one more hacker who is going to protect your security firewalls. Yes,
Hmm. Yes, sir.
it's a time consuming, right, sir?
Hmm. Time consuming and money cost.
Money, time,
Yeah.
and
Hmm.
scalability enhancement. This is one of the challenging parts, sir. Why industry is moving to the cloud? Sir, best example for you, sir. Sales time. Amazon sales. Ja- 1 week ago we completed, right? 1 week ago, Dasra sales. Amazon big billion days. Flipkart big billion days. We just now we completed, sir, 1 week ago. Sir, whenever
Yes, sir.
there is a sale time, what is the traffic, sir? It will be very massive, right? The sales
Hmm.
will be
Yes, sir.
only for one
yes,
week,
yes.
1 week, 2 to 3 days, 3 to 5 days, 5 to 10 days. In between the sales time, the traffic will be more, the connectivity will be more. So you need to increase your capacity, you need to increase your storage, you need to increase servers, you need to increase your traffic, everything you need to increase, right, sir? After 5 days, what you can do? Again, traffic will be become lower, and it will stable. Then where you can keep all this, sir? You purchase 1,000 laptops, 1,000 hard disks, everything, sir. Where you can keep it? Again, sales will next sales will be after next 6 months. So that is very important, sir. Here again, purchasing the servers, keeping idle is more expensive. It's very challenging for us, sir. So that is one of the major reason why industry is looking for cloud. You can enhance like this, sir. So whenever traffic is increasing, it will create one VM for you automatically. Whenever traffic is again low, it will delete that VM automatically. It will create, it will delete automatically based on your traffic. That is nothing but auto scaling. There is a concept, sir, auto scaling. Even in Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, there is a concept called Azure load balancers, auto scaling. Load balancers, auto scaling, sir. Auto scaling is nothing but scale out, create the VMs, create the resources, scale in, remove the resources, remove the VMs, scale in, scale out. It will do automatically based on your traffic, based on your formula, sir. They will set one formula. Okay. So based on that, automatically it will create the VMs, it will delete the VMs. That is easier when you go for cloud. That is more complex when you are in on-premises, sir. Infrastructure, sir. Basically, why industry is looking? Infrastructure. When you go for Infosys office, when you go for basically go for Infosys office, sir, anywhere, infrastructure. Oh my God, massive infrastructure, sir. They are going to maintain. Cost nowadays. Cost cutting is very important, sir. To reduce the cost cutting, only they are moving to the cloud. I don't want to maintain this infrastructure. Yeah, let it be. Let Azure maintain. Let's AWS maintain. Let's Google Cloud maintain. Let's Alibaba Cloud maintain. You will go and purchase. Okay, now I need this many servers. I need this many IP addresses. I need this much of storage. I need these services. I'm going to pay. Like Ola Cab, sir. Ola Cab. You don't have 10 lakhs amount to purchase a new car, sir. And you wanted to travel somewhere. What you will do? You will go for Uber or Ola, right? You wanted to use only for 3 days.
Yeah.
For 3 days, can you purchase new car, sir? And even though you
No.
don't know the driving, firstly, okay, that is the biggest joke. You don't know the driving, and you decide to purchase the car for only for 3 days, or you will go for Ola, Uber, or something else, sir. Which one is the best?
Go for Ola or Uber.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you are purchasing your own car, if you don't know the driving, you need to again recruit one driver. Insurance you need to take care. Pollution you need to take care. Additional, if something happened to your car, you need to bear. Fuel cost. Okay, road taxes you need to take care. Everything you need to take care, right, sir? If you go for Ola, Uber, you are paying any amount, sir, extra amount? No, right? I made it, sir, one example, one slide for you. I will explain you that in a while. Okay, see, same. Buying a car is on premises, sir. Rental is nothing but cloud. Best example, sir. Rental is nothing but cloud, sir. You no need to worry about all these charges. We'll discuss, sir, all these concepts. Okay, yeah. So why industry is looking for cloud means cost, sir, cost cutting and scalability. Scalability is the one of the challenging, sir. We are not guaranteed, right? Suddenly my connectivity traffic will increase like a stock market. Yes or no? Sorry, if you go for, sir, basically if you go for uh, okay, see, sir. So almost, okay, see how much data they are maintaining, sir. See, 1 day data, last 5 days data, 1 month data, 6 months data, year data, 1 year data, 5 years data, maximum. Sir, almost 10 to 15 years data they are going to maintain, sir. That is only for one organization. Now, how many organizations are available throughout globally, sir? How they are going to maintain this 10 years, 15 years data? That kind of massive data. In Tata itself, we have lot many, sir. Forget about Reliance. Go for Reliance, go for Tata. We have lot many. Tata Electrical, Motors, Tata Petrol, Tata something. There are lot many, sir. Getting my point, everyone? So it's
Yes, sir.
very challenging for them, sir, actually. Infrastructure challenges, data maintenance challenges, scalability challenges. So when you go for on-premises, everything on your head only, sir, when you go for on-premises. Okay, everything on your head when you go for. Now you are wanted to reduce. Very simple example, everyone from India, right? You can understand, sir. Assume you are having 1 crore amount, sir. మీ దగ్గర 1 కోటి రూపాయలు ఉంది. మీరు వచ్చేసి మీ ఇంట్లో ప్లేస్ చేశారు సార్ ఆ 1 crore అమౌంట్. యూ జస్ట్ కెప్ దట్ 1 crore అమౌంట్ ఆన్ యువర్ లాకర్ ఇన్ యువర్ హోమ్. కెన్ యూ స్లీప్, సార్? ఎస్. You will get thanks, right?
Tension.
Because everyone knows about you are having 1 crore rupee and you just kept in your locker, in your home locker. But same thing if you go and kept in your bank locker. Whose headache, sir, that is? Your bank
The bank
headache,
Bank.
right?
responsible.
Okay. Your bank headache. Let it be, sir. No worry. I can aram se sleep. At least I can aram se sleep, sir. I, I may thanks, but not that much, right, sir? That is what, sir. Cloud is nothing but someone else data center we are keeping data, sir. Apart from nothing else, sir. Don't think like a cloud is like a scientist. Nothing, sir. Whatever you are playing in your laptop, in your server, same way you can play in cloud as well. Amazon, Flipkart, AWS, Azure, both are different, sir. Again, both are same platform only. Basically, AWS is our grandfather, sir. Based on AWS is the first platform came into the cloud. Later Azure, later Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, blah 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 clouds. Okay, I hope you are getting, sir. You got the
Yes, sir.
difference. What
Getting.
is on premises? What is cloud? Yes, no. I given couple of examples, are best examples. You can understand easily why we industry is looking for cloud means cost cutting, scalability. To maintain data centers
Security.
is not a security is the one of the reason why still couple of projects are not moving to the cloud, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yeah, because data, right, sir? Banking data, Aadhaar card data, PAN card data, mobile numbers, insurance. Those are very critical, sir. If someone
Hmm.
can hack our Aadhaar card, then gone. Agree, not agree?
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Right.
You watch that
Right.
Vishal movie, Abhimanyu do something, right? Very
Yes,
interesting.
sir.
If not, you just go and watch it, sir. Very nowadays everyone is using smartphones, sir. We are using smartphones. Our children's is too smart, sir, than us, and they don't know anything. Sir, they are just clicking skip, and they are clicking whatever block they are highlighting. By mistakenly, they can click something, then gone, because on your mobile there is a phone pay, Google Pay, blah blah pays. All pays will be available in that phone only. Olden days, we our moms and dads used to take somewhere, uh, make sit outside, and they used to play with us. Nowadays moms are become very smart. Children are crying, okay, let give to mobile to them. Okay, no problem, go and watch na YouTube. Okay, that is how nowadays, sir. Very dangerous world. Security, still couple of projects are not yet moved to the cloud means security constraints. But they are telling, Amazon is telling, AWS is telling, Google, we will provide massive security. But still we are getting somewhat panic. Okay, because those are critical data, right? Yes, no.
Yes,
Yes,
no.
sir.
And even we are smart in the smart world. We are fully educated, but we are also doing lot many mistakes. Whatever the main mobile number we are using, the Naukri or into Monster, then gone. Once you place your mobile number in Naukri Monster, they will spread to everyone. Then you will get all the calls, credit card calls, okay, loan calls, everything you will get it. And we are telling we are smart. I am not sure, sir, how we are smart. Okay. Now, sir, before cloud, sir. Suppose you wanted to host one website. So suppose you wanted to host one website. Okay. So before cloud computing, what are the major? Don't tell simple. Major things. What are the three things you wanted to take care, sir? If you wanted to host with one website, you wanted to open www.ganesh.com. Assume, sir, you wanted to website. So what are the major things, sir?
In the case of we have firstly purchase one server and then
Yes.
install the IaaS services and
One second. Oh,
other.
no. We don't want in depth with that. Just buy the stack of servers. Agree, not agree?
Yes, sir.
First point, sir. You need to purchase stack of servers. But you not
Yeah.
guarantee, sir. సార్ అంటే మనము ఆ వెబ్సైట్ క్లిక్ అవుతుందా ఫెయిల్ అవుతుందని కూడా గ్యారంటీ లేదు సార్ మీకు వీఆర్ నాట్ గ్యారంటీ సేయింగ్ దట్ వెబ్సైట్ విల్ క్లిక్ ఆర్ ఫ్లాప్ బట్
Yes,
when
sir.
you start
Right.
when you start designing one website, first you need to purchase stack of servers, then you need to monitor the server, you need to maintain the servers.
Right.
Agree, not agree?
Yes, sir. Agree. Agree.
High traffic, more servers.
More server.
So what is the best means? You don't know, sir, whether it will click or it will flap. What you can do, right? So first purchase the servers in cloud for 6 months, for 1 year, sir. Host your website, everything. Okay. Once you getting some profits, later you can purchase your own servers, design your own infrastructures, and move complete your data from cloud to your premises. It's a good idea, right?
Yes, sir. Because in starting we have investing the lot of amount, the better for the purchasing the server. Oh,
Go
cloud.
for
Sorry,
cloud, sir.
cloud
Go for
server.
cloud,
Yeah.
sir. That's
Right.
it, sir. Best example. What is on premises? What is cloud? Yes. No.
Yes, sir.
So this we
Sir,
already discussed in this. Yes.
sorry, maybe my understanding I just want to see. So first you are trying to say first we need to use clouds until unless
No, I
we are
am not.
comfortable.
No, sir. I am not directly telling. So compare, sir. How much amount you are going to spend when you wanted to make one website in normal? How much Microsoft is charging or AWS is charging for same kind of infrastructure? Then compare and see the prices. Okay, if your cloud is best, okay, then go for cloud, sir. Because in the starting, right, you don't have that budget. You not guarantee whether your website will click or plaf. No one knows, sir.
Okay,
Just
okay, sir. Yeah.
you are paying what you are using, sir. Just like electricity bill, sir. When you go to Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai for job purpose, you will take one in the building. You will take one apartment for rent, right, sir? You will pay only your current bill for your apartment, or you will pay entire building. No,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Only for your apartment, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yes or no? That is what clouds are. Whatever you are using, you can pay for that one. That's it. Microsoft or AWS or Google Cloud or Alibaba Cloud, they won't charge any additional rupees, sir. Only what you are using, you can just pay for that one. But when you go for on-premises, you need to purchase everything, sir, first. Assume after 6 months your website is completely plaf, utter plaf. What you can do about all the servers? Where you can keep it, sir? Then gone, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
I hope you got it, Sairam.
Yes, sir.
I am
Yes,
not
sir.
directly telling to go for cloud, sir. Just compare, sir. Whenever you wanted to purchase a mobile or laptop or smartphone, what you will do, sir? You will go to Amazon. You will go to the Flipkart, And you will see in Amazon also you will have the Dell, Acer, Toshiba, HP, Lenovo. We have a lot of companies, right? You will see what which company is offering which best laptops, which best configuration, and how much discount I am getting whenever I'm purchasing Amazon, how much discount I am getting whenever I'm purchasing Flipkart, what is return policies. You will see all this concept, right, sir? Return policy is also very important, right, sir? So like same you can compare, sir. You can compare, then think
Okay.
that okay, which is the best for me, then you can choose, sir. That is up to you. I am not telling directly, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, no.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yeah.
Okay. Data centers, sir. You know about data centers. There will be good data centers, there will be ugly data centers, sir. In bottom you will see ugly data centers which a lot of cables and wires. Okay, whenever if something goes wrong, then gone. So for example, take one example. If a rat will go into the data center, what will happen? Then gone, right? Yes or no? If a rat bites something, a wire, and it is making some performance impact for your server, can you tell the same thing to application team? No, right? It's very dangerous, sir, very sensitive. So this is how your data centers look like now. In olden days, this is how, sir. Okay, looks like nowadays they're well designed data centers, sir. Okay, so technically you should call it as a racks. Each rack will maintain common network, common power supply, common switches, not storage, sir. Not storage. Storage they will design later, different separately, sir, and they will map the storage to the VMs. Okay, so technically you should call it as a racks. Each rack will maintain common network, common power supply, common switches. Okay, so this is how good data center and ugly data centers looks like. And now, sir, this is the one of the challenging. What is the challenging, sir? To maintain the data centers. To maintain the data centers, sir. Power management. We need to take care power management. Capacity planning. We should make a capacity planning. Storage maintenance, management, and managing the performance. Monitoring the servers. All these are challenges when you go for data centers, sir. So when we are maintaining data centers, what are the major challenges, sir? Power, capacity, storage, managing performance, monitoring the servers, basically maintaining the infrastructure, sir. This is the one of the challenging, biggest challenging we are facing in on-premises. To reduce this, nowadays we are moving into the cloud. So every this all headache will be maintained by Azure or AWS or Google Cloud. You no need to worry. You can just focus on your data and database and applications. You can just focus on your data and database and applications and no need to worry. Okay. And this is also one of the challenger, high availability. So we need to maintain the high availability and disaster recovery. Next slide, we are going to discuss disaster recovery. So if something happened, these are all we already covered, sir. Okay. So to maintain the high availability, to maintain the disaster recovery is the biggest challenge now. You need to maintain the multiple copies like log shipping, database mirroring, clusters, always on, right? These are the four techniques where we are going to maintain high availability and disaster recovery. Correct? So you need to maintain the multiple copies. So if something happened to one server, no worries, sir. I have one more server which will take the responsibility. Okay, assume, sir, these are all in the same data center, one data center. Assume you know about the Chennai floods, you know about the Kerala floods, right? In India. Yes or no? Yes, right, sir. So if
Yes.
you're
Right.
keeping
Yes,
if
sir.
you're keeping a data center in Chennai, if you're keeping only one data center in Kerala, then gone. What they will do, they will keep one more copy in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, anywhere, sir. If something happened to my primary data center, No worry, I have one more data center which I placed in the different region. Okay, this is nothing but high availability, sir. High availability means within the same data center. Within the same data center, you are going to maintain the high servers. High availability, sir. Within the same data center is nothing but high availability. Different data center is nothing but DR, disaster recovery. In high availability also you need to maintain power, network, storage, backups, reports, all is our headache only. Again, you go for cloud also you are doing all, sir, but infrastructure everything will maintain by cloud, right? Sir, this infrastructure is maintained by the cloud, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You are not maintaining any infrastructure, sir. Who will maintain? Azure will maintain
Azure will
infrastructure.
maintain.
Now,
Yeah.
now you can focus on the backups, you can focus on the resource reports, our databases, our services. No need to worry about power. Who is going to take care, sir? Cloud. Network, cloud. Storage, cloud. Maintenance, cloud. Everything will be taken care by cloud, sir. You no need to worry. Agree, not agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Agree.
Now, this is the most dangerous, sir. DR. If something goes wrong, then gone, sir. So, data center design, so they will keep one more copy, sir, exactly replica. Routers, switches, firewalls, storage, servers, applications, everything, sir. Exact replica. They will keep in different location, different region. One copy we are keeping in India, one copy we are keeping in Singapore, one copy we are keeping in India, one copy you are keeping in Malaysia. If something happened to India, no problem. I'm having different data center in different region. Okay, DR, disaster recovery, is a well through process to purchase the powerful computers and make them work a single computer resource at the different location. This is very important, sir. Different location, not the same location. Okay, different location with faster internet head with faster internet, sir. Because distance is also considered, sir. You need to maintain a little bit network speed higher. Primary means within your region only, right? It will be much faster, sir. But DR is a different location. You need to see the bandwidth between Singapore to India, how much bandwidth we need to make our application run very smoother. So you need to purchase massive network. Agree, not agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is nothing but DR, sir. So now we are keep on enhancing, sir. That is nothing but virtualization. What is concept of virtualization means? So we will purchase a massive server, sir. Massive physical box. One CPU, sir. One CPU with 80 cores and 1 TB of RAM. Sir, you purchasing RAM, you purchasing the storage, you purchasing the memory with a massive CPU. On top of that CPU, you are using hypervisor. Either you are using Oracle VirtualBox, VMware, VMware, Oracle VirtualBox, or in Windows there is a Hyper-V. Using this, you are going to virtualize. Means using this, you can create your own server. I will show you, sir, one server in my laptop itself. Okay, you are going to create a separate server, and you will get the resource from this server, sir. Okay, this concept is nothing but virtualization. This concept is nothing but virtualization. You are going to create a virtual servers, virtual VMs. In this VM, you can keep Oracle. Sorry. You can keep Windows. You can keep Linux. You can keep Mac. Whatever you want, sir. Sir, this VM is running with Windows. This VM is running with Linux. This VM can run with Mac. These three VMs can run with different applications. That is up to your wish, sir. I am not worrying. I am just creating a virtual machines for you. You can deploy SQL, Oracle, MySQL, whatever you want. No problem for me. Yes or no? So this is the physical box. This is the virtual box. Now you got it, sir. I hope yesterday someone asked what is exactly virtual machine. This is, sir. They will purchase one massive CPU. On top of that massive CPU, then they can build the servers. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir?
Agree. Your dose.
Sir, I purchased one CPU with 80 cores, sir. 80 cores. And I'm deciding to create the VMs. Each VM need to maintain at least 10 cores. How many VMs I can deploy in this CPU, sir?
8 VM.
That's it, sir. Okay, just idea for you, sir.
Hmm.
Now this is what we are going to deal, sir. Now, data center in shipping containers means this is the data center, sir, which is more secured. Okay, so you will get the webcams, everything, sir. It contains the VMs, it contains the storage as well. You can ship your data center from one location to another location easily, sir. Easily you can ship from one location to another location. This is nothing but shipping data centers. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, okay. Now, sir. So these many reasons your data centers are available by Azure, by Amazon, Google Cloud, sir. In India, Azure having 4 data centers, AWS having 2 data centers. Two are available in Mumbai only, sir. Mumbai, Pune and Mumbai, sir. AWS is maintaining 2 data centers in Mumbai and Pune. Azure is maintaining 4 data centers. 1 year ago, there is only 3 data centers, sir. Mumbai, Pune, Chennai. Mumbai, Pune, Chennai. Now they are going to keep one more data center in Delhi. Azure, sir. Microsoft Azure going to keep one more data center in the Delhi as well, sir. So now we are having 4 data centers in India. In India, sir. So almost 60 plus regions we are having data centers, sir, by Azure. Almost. Earlier, 2 to 3 years ago, there are 52 regions are available. Now again they increase 8 more regions. Almost now 60 plus regions. The data centers are available throughout globally. Massive, right, sir? Agree, not agree? Yes? No, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pakistan, there is no data center, I hope. No. So these are the locations, these many data centers are available. You can use whatever data center you want, sir. Whatever data center you want. You can use whatever you want, sir. Google Cloud is having less data centers, okay? Less data centers compared to AWS, compared to Azure, sir. Compared to AWS, Azure is draftly increased like anything, sir. Azure is maintaining massive data centers than AWS. These many data centers are available. Okay, yeah, that's it, sir. Today, next 2 days, I will move little bit slow, sir, because I need to get some more people. Okay, so once we are ready, then I will go for. We'll start the uh, 2 to 2.5 hour session, sir. Hope you are understanding, right, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next 2 days till Wednesday will go very slow, sir. From Wednesday we'll start. So don't create free trial subscription, please. I will tell you, sir, when you're supposed to create. Okay. Don't waste your credit cards. Before 2019, with one credit cards you can create a number of times, sir. From 2019 onwards, one credit card only one time. So please be careful. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Any questions, sir, before I stop?
Subbu sir, there
Yes.
was a lecture regarding on replication purpose. Right?
Sorry, sir.
There was a session, I think, pending like troubleshooting on replication.
No, we'll discuss, sir. Forget about that one.
Okay.
Yes. I will take additional sessions this week.
Okay.
Maybe today not possible, but tomorrow onwards I am free. Maybe you will get 2 sessions daily. I will complete.
Okay. Okay.
So still replication is concept is there when we wanted to discuss in always on with replication with MI. We not yet done, sir. If you forget about it, I never forget. No worries. Okay. Chalo. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, sir. Thank you.